Hyundai plans to electrify half of its manufacturing by 2025 with a $10 billion expenditure. Hyundai's stunning Ioniq 5 shows that it's serious about electric mobility. An electric midsize CUV that packs a striking appearance, loads of techs and features, lightning-fast charging capabilities, rapid acceleration, and exciting driving traits. So let's look at 10 reasons why you should buy the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 offers a range of powertrain configurations to suit your driving needs. The base model with rear-wheel drive configuration and single electric motor comes equipped with a 58 kWh battery pack that delivers a total output of 168 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. This alone could be enough to impress even the most discerning drivers. However, for those who demand more, the all-wheel drive version with dual electric motors is worth a look. It features a larger battery pack to generate a hefty 320 horsepower and a considerable 446 pound-feet of torque, which translates to rapid acceleration and impressive performance on the road. Furthermore, with two electric motors integrated into the front and rear axles, this all-wheel drive setup delivers exceptional traction and stability, allowing for easy and confident handling in various driving conditions. Gone are the days when electric vehicles used to play second fiddle to their fossil fuel-guzzling counterparts. Thanks to the drastic advancements in battery life and efficiency, the range of EVs has exploded in the past few years. Electric vehicles now offer impressive travel distances that can compete with, if not surpass, traditional gasoline-powered cars. The 58 kWh battery version boasts an EPA-estimated range of 220 miles, while the larger 76 kWh battery option takes it up a notch with a range of 330 miles. Even if you opt for all-wheel drive, the Ioniq 5 still manages to deliver a respectable 266 miles per charge. But wait, there's more. The Ioniq 5 solar roof adds a sleek and stylish touch and helps extend the vehicle's range and prevent battery drain. With range anxiety conquered, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 takes on the next challenge, tackling the charge anxiety head-on, and it has done a formidable job of doing that. The Ioniq 5 comes equipped with the world's first patented technology that supports 400 and 800-volt charging infrastructure without extra components. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 makes recharging a breeze with its versatility and charging options. With the ability to charge at public stations, at home, or state-of-the-art high-powered DC fast charging stations, you'll never have to worry about running out of power again. Utilizing an 800-volt DC fast charger, the Ioniq 5 can charge from 10 to 80% in as little as 18 minutes. This means you can stop for a quick coffee break and return to an almost fully charged vehicle. Plugging into a DC fast charger adds an impressive 68 miles in about 5 minutes. Even a 400-volt charger is a great option, taking only 35 minutes to charge the car from 10 to 80%. While there are many reasons the Hyundai Ioniq 5 is one of the best electric crossover SUVs, we have been thoroughly impressed by its clean, modern, and minimalist interior. The Ioniq 5 interior design is a feast for the eyes, and the generous use of eco-friendly materials highlights the Ioniq brand's commitment to sustainability. Enter the Ioniq 5, and you get to enjoy its spacious, flat floor for maximum cargo and passenger space, with ample headroom and legroom, highly adjustable front seats, the perfect perch to take in the panoramic view of the optional glass sunroof, and the movable center console that can be easily repositioned to suit your needs. Moreover, the comfortable seats and ambient interior lighting combine to create a mesmerizing aura of luxury and elegance. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is not just about the impressive range and charge capabilities, but also how it has elevated the driving experience with SmartSense safety features. It is loaded with an array of advanced safety features such as forward collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, and remote smart parking assist, which make maneuvering in tight spots a breeze. And let's not forget about lane keeping and lane following assist, and blind spot collision avoidance assist, which makes highway driving a much less stress-free experience. The Ioniq 5 is also equipped with pedestrian detection, driver drowsiness monitoring, vehicle stability management, and brake assist system to increase the braking force in case of an emergency. The Ioniq 5 has a true attention-grabbing, out-of-this-world design that leaves a lasting impression. Think modern architecture and retro elements fused to create a futuristic design that exudes sportiness. The most striking aspect of the Ioniq 5's exterior design is its distinctive pixel-style headlights and taillights. The sleek clamshell hood adds to the vehicle's smooth, cohesive look, lending an air of modernity and innovation to the overall aesthetic. In addition, bold angular lines on its sides beautifully strip away complexity in most electric vehicles' designs. In short, Hyundai's ambitious goal to fundamentally revolutionize electric mobility with a sleek and modern design is clearly evident in the Ioniq 5, setting a precedent for future models to come. Okay, we get that Ioniq 5 is not as spacious as a Model X, but it's certainly no slouch in the storage department. Some could argue that it doesn't even have the cargo capacity of a Mustang Mach-E or Tesla Model Y, but we think this crossover SUV more than makes up for it with its impressive 27.2 cubic feet of cargo space, extending to 59.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. It has more than a decent amount of storage for an electric SUV, especially considering the Ioniq 5's compact dimensions. When Hyundai launched its new sub-brand Ioniq, one of the goals of the South Korean automobile manufacturing company was to provide a connected lifestyle experience through its models. The Ioniq 5, in particular, embodies this goal with its advanced infotainment and connectivity features. The first thing you'll notice when you step inside the Ioniq 5 is the two wide touchscreens in the center console. The 12-inch touchscreen on the dashboard serves as the primary interface for various functions, such as navigation control. On the other hand, the 12-inch digital gauge cluster is a hub for features like voice recognition, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto smartphone integration. In addition to these features, the Ioniq 5 also offers a wireless charging pad, USB ports, and a 6-speaker stereo with Bose premium sound system for an unparalleled in-car audio experience. It won't be wrong to say that the Ioniq 5 has done a commendable job of delivering on Hyundai's promise of a connected lifestyle experience. Although the Hyundai Ioniq 5 delivers sporty acceleration, the all-wheel drive version shoots to 60 miles per hour in an astounding 4.5 seconds, and a top speed of up to 114 miles per hour. It has proved to be an assured performer on the road. However, its ability to deliver a quiet and comfortable cruising experience effortlessly sets it apart from the competition. With its unique steering tuning and soft suspension, specifically fine-tuned for a smooth ride, the Ioniq 5 can absorb bumps effectively on the road, resulting in a comfy ride in every driving situation. The good news is that it won't break the bank, and you can enjoy the benefits of a top-of-the-line electric SUV. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is one of the least expensive electric SUVs in the market, and you can even say that it is an affordable Tesla killer. After all, the SE standard range will set you back $41,450, and the limited trim costs $52,600. These prices don't include the federal tax credit of $7,500. Boasting lightning-fast charging and an enviable range, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a true powerhouse in the world of electric SUVs. Its cutting-edge technology, performance, and unbeatable value for money make it a standout choice.